John. All right, big guy, go get your bicycle. What's up, you guys? John's Moto Garage. Whoa, what the heck happened here? Dangers of parking your bicycle next to your motorcycle. Oh, crisis averted. All right. This is chaos over here. All right, John's Moto Garage. Quick update on the garage. The Dyna is out of commission. I'll go into that in a video here soon. Not to worry, we'll get it back up and running here shortly. New bike that I picked up, I'll have a video on that soon. Today we're taking a break from the motos. We're meeting up with a subscriber at one of the local skate parks. We're gonna hit up a Sesh and just have a chill day skateboarding. Take your scoot just in case, big guy.
Okay.
All right, ¿qué pasó, amigos? John's Moto Garage. Here we are at the skate park with one of the local subs. What's up, dude? This is Ty, local skateboarder, shredding. I'm gonna drop some clips of the hammer he just nailed, making me look like a fool out here. Anyway, this is his dope ride. He's gonna give us the walk around, the tour, show us what he's got. Take it away, bro.
Basically, it's a 1984 ZN700 Kawasaki. 4-cylinder, first bike, pretty much. Had it for about a year.
What all have you done to the bike thus far?
New shocks, fan, grill, all off eBay, like Amazon. Shocks I got from Bob's. Bag I got from Amazon. Shaft, took the mufflers off for audibly safe reasons.
Hey, that's custom, dude. That adds like 15 horsepower right there. Yeah, it sounds pretty dope. So I'll leave a, you want people to hit you up on Instagram?
Oh, word, yeah.
I mean,
it's tyty.x or .x.
So I'll leave a link below for his Instagram, tyty.x or something. We'll leave the link below.
Yeah.
But yeah, hit him up. He's got some dope artwork, gnarly skateboarder. Shows me up for sure, and he's got a dope moto. Yeah, check out that helmet. That thing's dope. Shout out to Ty, dope skate sesh. I'll leave a few clips here as well. Finished? All right, later, bro. Take it easy. Just got back from the skate park. We have the skate park with one of the subs. guys are being crazy. Anyway, we just got back from the skate session with Ty, one of the subs. Big thumbs up for him. All right, John's Moto Garage. Like, subscribe. We'll hit you later. What's up, dude? Adios.